Would you smash or pass Gio from Jamaican? Definitely, 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 definitely. What's up, guys? What's poppin'? What's not stopping? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, today I'm gonna do a smash or pass, guys. So I'm asking upon my Instagram last night before I go sleep. Say I'm gonna do a YouTube smash or pass on for comments on YouTube down below, and I did so. For most side, it's repetitive because most of them keep on say the same. And I don't forget that problem, you know. I swear to you, most of them keep on say the same people them. So overall, I'm just get like 10 or 11 different people. So that way I go do. But before we jump in the video, guys, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment down below your favorite part of the video, and let's get it. Let's go. Yeah, guys, so make sure to tell enough right now, all of this is only for entertainment purposes. Entertainment purposes, okay? You know, so most of them YouTubers here is either them a couple or they married or second down. So just for entertainment purposes only, guys. And before we go into the comment section and start to do the bag of things, me talk to the fans them, because my real people them I call them supporters because them support me. For the fans them, when we go into the comment and start chat a bag of things, save it because I don't really care. Okay? Okay. So, they're going to call them name based on what I want to say. Because you know when I say them, I'm going to look and screenshot a picture. Because some of want to say, I not even know them. But I'm going to call them name and then put a picture right there. So I'm going to say who may attack. Okay? Okay. So, let's start. The first person is... The first person, as I say, most of them repetitive. The first person is Dre from Dre and Trish. First of all, I'm gonna pass Dre. Reason why I pass Dre is because Dre come like, what's that now? Brother. Yeah, Dre come like brother and Trish come like sister. Moreover, Trish have mad girl. And we can't take all of that eat there. So anyway, I'm gonna pass Dre because Dre come like brother, you know. Dre the one to say, oh. Alright, me I laugh too much. But when I pass Dre, nothing personal, just that Dre a brother. Next person is Image from Image and Dolly. Would you smash or pass Image from Image or Dolly? I'm gonna pass Image. Reason being, Image full of holy tattoo. And I like tattooing but not so much. Image full of holy tattoo. Wow. But just when I sit on camera, I'm short. I'm tall. Even though I'm probably taller than me, but I'm probably not taller than me by 1.5. Image short, I'm tall, I'm like short guys. So not only that. Morning. Dolly look like she mad. Like Dolly look like she mad. And I can't take all of that either. So I'm gonna pass it. Next person is King from King and Shay. King are gonna kill me with joke. Me just care about that. King are gonna kill me with joke. King are gonna kill me with joke. And shut up, you're part of the smash pass. Happy night. Ciao. Would I pass King? Would I pass King? Because when I look at King as a relationship type, as I say, and by the way, I say would I pass, and because say them not look smashable, you know, because they're smashable, but just rate them other person. If that makes sense. I just rate who them with. You understand? I like who them with. Yeah, I'm gonna put it that way. I like who them be with. So next person, Andrew TV. Andrew TV. Would you smash or pass Andrew TV? First of all, Andrew look like one. Look like him wouldn't know what fever though. Because him look young. Where I love. If it true him look like him wouldn't even know what for though. So I'm gonna pass it because you look young. You look young. You can't anger this. You can't anger this. Pass. What? Lord, we not going in, Angel. Go in, man. Sure. Would you smash or pass Baggio from Angel and Baggio? First of all, you watch Angel and Frank? Angel a mad girl. Mad. I'm going to live to see 2021. So here what Angel, keep him to yourself. Make a pass him. Keep him. Me can't take all of that. Keep him. Next person, Tyreek comedy. But that's smashing. Him look cute. See him there. Him look cute. Even though him look short. I think him short. Him not look cute here. You look a girl. What can I hear you talk about? He's a child. My pitney? Them not thinking out of school. You still not smash. He's a child.
You know what in video them
I'm cute though. But that's smashing him cute. School as I know, we can't do it in the school bathroom. So Angel, go on in and I'm do my video in peace. Sure. I don't like you. Would you smash or pass Ray from Ray and T? Pass. Would I pass him? Once upon a time, would I pass him? For one reason only. One reason. That's why I would have passed him. Other than that, would I definitely smash. You're too enough. Would I pass it just because of that reason? Would you? Huh? No, them no want no reason. You're too enough. Would you smash or pass Chabas? First of all, Chabas I got joke out to all I'll say. Angel, go on inside there and from quarantine. Go on in, man. Everything I say out there laugh at me, I did laugh. He would have joke out to all I look up for. You watching the video them? Him funny, would have joke it out, so I'm not even all enjoy. Because I be a joke, him would have give. So, would I smash it, but I know who would do not because he would have joke it out. So, yes. Would you smash or pass Rolly? Rolly, so easy. Once upon a time, would I smash Rolly? Once upon a time. Not again. Not passing. What about Rolly short? I was some tall. I'm not bad up on the same height. I think either look a bit tall like right so or way tall. Rolly short. What?
But they run basketball, man.
Go in, Angel. Ah, shut up. Enough. Mash up that the door. Mash it up. Go on in, man. Sure, you just interrupt. Rolly short. Some other pass, Rolly. Would you smash or pass Miguel from Marsha and Miguel? Eminem. Would you smash or pass Miguel? Would I pass Miguel? Would I pass Miguel? Because shut up. Miguel shot also. Plus Marsha is another one. Miguel and Marsha are brother and sister. Pass. Marsha go. No. You know watching prank? Where my prank guy? My girl go for the knife. Pass. I'm gonna pass Miguel. I wanna live. I'm gonna pass you. I'm gonna pass. I wanna live. Would you smash or pass Razor? Angel, somebody ask you something, huh? Somebody ask you wanna be in the video?
No.
So shut up.
I'm too mad.
Shut up. What you mean the boy too mad?
Do your video.
You fighter?
Without pleasure, I am.
Shut up. I'm but out before the you will cut out. Shut up. Sure, look how you come distract me. I don't remember what I did I say now.
You thinking, man.
Go on in, man. Sure. Would you smash or pass Razor? Would I pass Razor? Razor look good. Razor cute. Do you know Razor not bad looking. Razor cute, but would I pass Razor? Yeah, but I pass razor. I would have smash razor. Which one would I do, Angel? Which one? Smash or pass? Me say me would have pass. What you think would I do? Talk to miss. Sorry. What you think would I do?
Think of the process, right? You want like your body, you feel like you're much
You feel like me and the man she want? Come go in. Come go in. That's why you want urban lives high school.
No,
You feel like you're big.
Stop
Come
doing
go
that for
in.
me.
For me to call
Next
daddy.
year, me I go to school.
Come go in.
Repeat and repeat.
Outside. Who else? Who this? Would you smash or pass the Carter family? That's my thing. Would you smash or pass
Yeah.
the Carter family? I have to go look when you look. I mean, I don't know them. I know. No, so I'm look serious. I'm look serious, and him have bent foot. Him look short too. Or probably the picture you make him look short. Him look serious. Oh, him and Chrissy. Oh, the girl. Oh, name. Oh, see when name CMR? I see ya. When name? You know what them? The Carter family.
So no serious man, I want.
Who tell us someone serious man? Go on in, Angel.
I ask me,
No ask me nothing. You're a child. Sure. Him look thick. No, me that pass him a nice, decent married man. You see the big old ring a glister on him finger. But I pass him because he's married and me can't, you know them say when they smash married people, bad things catch you. Me don't want no more bad things catch me, so I go pass him. No, that be them friend. But I pass him. So, down to the last question where everybody full up my thing with. Everybody full up my thing. Like, feed name full up all in it. We got like 20 of female name in it. Would you smash or pass Gio from Bun Up and Bonicia? I joke. Would you smash or pass Gio from Jamaican? First of all, I don't know who not talk, so I forgot. I forgot look at who not talk. So I'm a Google in picture. I forgot look at who name Gio. Oh, him. But I definitely pass. Because first of all, I'm a child. I don't want to look up in the angle me. So, pass you. You can't. But I pass him because he's a pick me. So, me make him stay for all of the kids. Me I pass him. So, yeah. That, and me not put him picture in this because I don't want him. Because you know them love run go report things. Next time I go put in this and them run go report the video. And next thing, claim the video because them picture in there. So, I'm not going to put them picture in this. Because I don't want to flash up on them. But for most I don't know who name Bun Up. So, yeah. This is the end of the video. So, all fun and games, guys. If you enjoyed the video, I know this probably short, but if you enjoyed the video, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, guys. Remember, myself for fun and games. So, nobody come tag me. And I'm not fooling because I don't know my more light already. So, yeah. But I definitely pass him. 100% pass. Peace out.